and welcome to another video on the New Tech channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix an error where you open OBS or you use OBS for your screen recording, but it happens that the mouse or your cursor is not visible. Now the first thing you want to do is to come to the display capture right here, and you'd want to put your mouse on it and make sure that on the screen right here you are able to see where exactly the mouse is. Alright, so just go ahead and right click on display capture, and from the drop down of options you'd want to click on the last one, that's properties, and then from the pop-up you'd want to make sure that right under capture method your capture method is selected as DSGI desktop application. You'd want to check if you can see your mouse now. Click on OK and check if the mouse is visible. If it happens that the mouse is not visible, go again, right click on display capture, click on properties, and you'd want to switch this again to Windows 10 as well as try the automatic. So try all the options and also make sure right here that your capture cursor is clicked. If I untick this, you see that our cursor is no more visible on the screen, so you want to make sure that right under properties your capture cursor is toggled or clicked. So once you've done that, your mouse should be visible on OBS, and that should resolve your issue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.